Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can backup your website on Squarespace. So for that we need to go to settings on the left and then click on advanced. Here you will see an export button, click on it and again click on export. So here you will see a download button, you have to click on it and an XML file will be downloaded. So the problem with this XML file is that it won't contain your whole website. Some of the pages will be missing, as you can see on the Squarespace official website as well, that cover pages, index pages, events, products will not appear in this file. So for that we need to go to home and then we need to click on commerce. Here you need to go to inventory and now on the top left you will see export all. You need to click on it. So this will download all of your products and all of your pages. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.